Hello everyone. So many of you have been wondering about the change of vendor in the SSC recently. What would be the next pattern or the change in syllabus, and many more doubts have been wondering across the parents. So, so I have recently appeared for the SSC Phase 13 examination that was held on 24th of July, and my paper was on first shift. So I am going to give you a overview about the examination that I have appeared for. So when it comes to English, so the pattern was changed. That is 40% of the pattern was changed. That is, there was no comprehension, no closed test. Respective of that, the vocabs and error all were just PYQ based. Along with that, the sentence rearrangement that consists of 5 questions. So I was talking about the examination that was held today. So when it comes to reasoning part, there were no questions from non-verbal. Instead of that, there were two or three questions from the psychological part, you can say, in which you are asked a simple questions regarding your ethics. You can say just the question was like, you have sawn a purse on the road, so what will you do? And the options were like hand it to the nearest security guard or take it with yourself. So these were some of the questions. That was no any question were there from data interpretation. Two questions were there from average, and there was a question regarding mark price and the discount provided. You have to find the selling price of the product. One question was from geometry, and that is from circle part, provided the tangents and radius were given, and you have to find one of the side of the triangle that is formed after that. If I would say about GK, so it was the easiest of them because there was only two current affairs, and that was from the 2023, and the one of them was the recently floated solar power plant state that was that happened in 2023, and one was question was from the who won the Santosh Trophy from 2023.